In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shared files from Google Drive. This is a super handy skill to master, especially if your drive is getting cluttered with files shared with you that you no longer need. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're on the main page of your drive, take a moment to look around. You'll notice various tabs on the left side of your screen, like My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, and a few others. For today's task, our focus will be on the Shared with Me section, because that's where all the files that others have shared with you reside. Click on Shared with Me and you'll see a list of all the files that have been shared with you over time. This list can be overwhelming, especially if you have lots of files from different people. Now, scan through your files carefully. Are there any files that you no longer need access to? Remember, removing a shared file does not delete it for everyone. It just removes your access. Once you've identified a file you want to remove, right-click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in is Remove. Click on that, and just like that, the file will disappear from your Shared with Me view. Don't worry though, if you change your mind, you can always find it in the trash until it's permanently deleted after 30 days. It's a good habit to tidy up your shared files regularly, so this process becomes much smoother. Another quick tip: if multiple files need to be removed, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard, click on each file you want to remove, then right-click on any of the selected files and choose Remove. This trick can save you a lot of time if you're looking to do some serious decluttering. Before you finish up, make sure to periodically check your trash folder as well. Files aren't permanently deleted until you empty the trash, which means you can still free up some space by cleaning it out manually before the 30-day automatic period. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and organize the files shared with you on Google Drive, keeping your digital space tidy and efficient. Whether you're using Google Drive for work, school, or personal projects, staying organized helps in boosting productivity and reducing the chances of overlooking important files. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.